In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for and follow someone on the Phantom Wallet app. Whether you're new to Phantom Wallet or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly connect with others in the app. To get started, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that you've logged into your account. Once you're all set, open the Phantom app. You'll start on the home screen, which is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making navigation a breeze. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice the search bar, a key tool for finding connections within the app. Go ahead and tap on the search bar. This will bring up the keyboard, allowing you to type in the username of the individual you're looking for. Whether it's a friend, acquaintance, or someone you've been meaning to connect with, entering their username is all you need to do at this stage. As you type, the app will generate a list of search results that match or closely resemble your input. When you see the profile you're interested in, simply select it from the results. This will display their profile, providing you with more information and options regarding your connection with them. If you'd like to follow this person, you can do so easily. On their profile page, locate the Follow button. It's typically straightforward and clearly labeled to ensure there are no missteps. By tapping the Follow button, you've successfully connected with them, allowing you to stay updated with their activities within Phantom Wallet. And there you have it. Searching for and following someone on the Phantom Wallet app is that simple. It's all about tapping into the app's user-friendly features to enhance your network within the platform. Remember, following someone allows you to remain engaged with other users, so don't hesitate to connect with those of interest. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for joining me today.